Have you ever encountered the error connection reset error while browsing? Frustrating, right? This common issue disrupts online access, leaving you stranded. But no worries. In this video, we'll walk through 5 straightforward techniques to troubleshoot and fix the problem easily. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why this error occurs. Typically, it's linked to network interruptions, misconfigured settings, or even interference from software like firewalls. Understanding these root causes is your first step towards solving it yourself, even if you're new to troubleshooting internet issues. Sometimes, your VPN might be causing the problem. VPNs are great for online privacy but can trigger connectivity issues. Disconnect from your VPN, refresh your browser, and see if this resolves the error. If it does, adjust your VPN settings before reconnecting. Misconfigured network settings often lead to this error. Let's fix that by resetting your TCP/IP stack. Open the command prompt as an administrator and type this, netshint IP reset. Press enter, restart your computer, and test your connection. This refreshes your network configurations and often resolves the issue. Overzealous security software can block your connection unintentionally. To check if this is the cause, temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall. Don't forget to re-enable them later to keep your device secure. If this works, you might need to modify your security settings. Outdated or corrupted browser data can generate this error. Clear your browsing history and cache by going to your browser settings. Once cleared, restart the browser. This simple step often resolves the issue and improves your browsing performance overall. Using a proxy server? Sometimes, proxies interfere with connections. Disable it in your network settings or browser configurations. Then, reattempt accessing the problematic website. This eliminates potential issues related to manual proxy setup. By following these 5 beginner-friendly methods, you'll regain a smooth online experience. From disabling your VPN to clearing cache, these steps are designed to resolve the error connection reset error quickly and efficiently. Now it's your turn. Try these solutions today and share your feedback in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tips. Together, we'll conquer tech hurdles one step at a time.